In this video, I will show you how to hide a section of path in Next.js. In the F route, I am creating 3 folders named by registration, login, forgot password. Within each folder, I am creating a simple React component. It is good in the small project, but in the large project, it is not suitable. That's why I am creating another folder named by auth and then moving all the authentication pages into the auth folder. If I want to get it in browser, I can get /auth/registration, auth/login, auth/forgot password. But it is not good for analytics and marketing. Now I need to remove the auth from the address bar. To remove the auth path in the browser, I am refing the auth folder name in parentheses. Now, if I try to get it, I can get properly. I have successfully removed the auth from the address bar. Thanks for watching. Please to consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.